Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy and paste data in Excel with formula. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. In this data, in total price have a formula. When I click on the cell, you can see in formula bar showing the D3 into E3. Okay, D means quantity column and E unit price means quantity into unit price is equal to total price. So here I'm going to copy this data with formula. Okay, simply select this data, just simply drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Right click of the mouse and click on the copy. Then select the cell where you want to paste this data. Simply select the cell, right click of the mouse and in paste option, click on the paste specials. Click on this drop down arrow and here select this first form. Okay, and here you can see in last column with total price, the formula here showing. When I click on this cell, here the formula in formula bar showing. Okay. But in second column date, you can see here the date format changed. Okay. Here showing the proper date and here only showing the number. For that, when you paste this data, simply select the cell and right click of the mouse. In paste special, just click on this arrow. First, I select this option, formulas, and now you see this option, formulas and number formatting also I want. Okay. So just click and here you can see when I double click on it, the date showing properly in date format and in total price also showing the formula. So this is the way you can paste your data with formula, with number formatting. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe.